This is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add photo and video to one Instagram story. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Do you want to make your Instagram story stands out with mix of both videos and photos? Combining them into one story is a great way to share moments creatively. Whether you're showcasing a fun day out, promoting something special, or just adding a personal touch to your stories, it's easier than you may think. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just open your story section. You can just take a picture or a video. I will just choose from my gallery like this. Here's the video and I want to add a photo on it. You can just tap on the sticker icon and here there is an option to photo. You can just tap on that. Now you can choose on the photo that you want to add to your story. Maybe for the example, I will choose this photo. Like this. And I will choose another photo. Maybe this one. Like this. And I will use this shape to make it more cute, I think. So now it's so simple. You can just share it to your story. So simple, right? So that is how to add videos and photo at one story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.